Where the name of God is invoked, that is heaven. Where people spend their life in nonviolence, truth and celibacy, that is heaven. Where people devote their life in the service of the poor and the oppressed, that is heaven. Where people lose themselves in omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent, and find themselves amidst divine spirit, that is heaven. Imbibed by the teachings and principles of the Biswabandita Guru, Guru Maharaj Shivananda Saraswati, his disciple Chidananda Swamiji dedicated his life to spread the message of the great Guru among one and all.
कर्मकारणिक सद्गुरु महाराज शेष कृपारू चिदानंद दिव्य धाम एक सुंदर परिवेश भितर गढ़ी उठी जार उद्देश्य केवल दिव्य जीवन संघर प्रचार प्रसार सहित ये चिदानंद सारा आमर जो भारत वर्ष रे दिव्य जीवन संघर जो गंगा प्रवाहित होती विशेषकर उत्कल प्रदेश रे 232 शाखा 34 शाखा गढ़ी उठी तार भितर किभली आध्यात्मिक नैतिक मूल्यबोध शिक्षा बढ़िबो एवं गुरु महाराज बाणीर प्रचार प्रसार पाई आमे एई अनुष्ठान गढ़ी उठू।
On the banks of the holy Rishikelia, washed by the wonderful blue waters of the lake Tampra, nestled amidst dense casuarina and cashew trees, is this well-built spiritual retreat, Chidananda Divyadham. Named after the disciple of the great Sadguru Shivananda, Chidananda Saraswati, the president of the Divine Life Society, the Chidananda Divyadham was built in the year 2016 to celebrate the birth centenary of the great yogi, whose entire life has been devoted to spread the message of the Guru. Be good, do good. Chidananda Divyadham is a unique center of pilgrimage, a facilitator for education, discipline, dedicated practice, and spiritualism. Chidananda Divyadham is situated in the Chhatrapur block of Ganjam district in Odisha. It is on the side of the national highway near Tampra lake amidst cashew and casuarina trees in the village Augusti Nuaga. To spend time in peace and to practice discipline, meditation, positive spiritual thinking, please to visit Chidananda Divyadham. The contact address is Chidananda Divyadham. The phone number is 9437078041. 9437078041. The email address is thedivinetrust@gmail.com. The website address is www.thedivine.org.in. To watch this type of programs, subscribe to Chidananda Divyadham YouTube channel.